I would like to share that this has been a lifelong dream of mine. Bringing such a level of an event to our country. After many months and even years of preparation, we are officially bringing a sanctioned World Polo event in Makati, Philippines.
Ito ang masayang ibinalita ni Filipino Olympic pole vaulter EJ Obiena sa kanyang naging pagharap sa media sa isang online press conference nito lamang Lunes. Matapos maudlot nitong nakaraang taon, tuloy na ang pangarap ni Obiena na dalhin ang isang world-class pole vault tournament dito sa Pilipinas. Sa naging inisyatibo ni Obiena at pakikipagtulungan ng atletang Ayala at ng MVP Sports Foundation, aarangkada ang World Pole Vault Challenge mula September 20 hanggang 21 sa Ayala Triangle Gardens sa lungsod ng Makati. Ayon sa world rank number 4 pole vaulter, asahan ang paglahok ng mga top pole vaulters sa mundo, lalo na't sanction ang naturang state vaulting event ng World Athletics. Ibig sabihin, makakuha ang mga kalahok ng ranking points at magwawagi ng cash prize ang itatanghal na kampiyon.
We're inviting, of course, the top pole vaulters. We're coming up. The dates are just strategically placed on the 20th and the 21st. That's going to be after the World Championship, so we could expect high-ranking athletes. We're going to announce it as soon as the competition dates come. As of now, we'll keep it just yet, and soon we're going to release it.
Kabilang din si Obiena sa mga sasabak sa naturang kompetisyon, dagdag pa ng 29-year-old pole vaulter na sasabik na siyang muling lumundag sa harap ng home crowd.
I can't wait to jump in front of a home crowd. I've not done that in such a long time. The last time I've done that was in SEA Games, and it was far from the heart of the city. And I think bringing the sport outside of the track closer to the people, and definitely, Makati being as busy as it is, it's an amazing spot to jump, and I think that kind of brings pressure on me, which I do oftentimes not enjoy. It's gonna be something that I really am looking forward to, because as I said, competing in a home crowd is just different. I've competed all over the world, and I mean, the home crowd is just different. Like the screams and the warm reception, and of course, the pressure to perform definitely is just at the all-time high. And for that, as an athlete, I am excited to see this, and I'm excited to be there. And as I previously said, I wouldn't miss this for the world.
Gaganapin ang World Pole Vault Challenge matapos ang World Athletics Championship sa Tokyo, na gaganapin naman mula September 13 hanggang 21. Daryl Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.